Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Obsess. Obsess means preoccupy or fill mind of someone continually and to troubling extent. For example, he was obsessed with the theme of death. He was obsessed with the theme of death. Synonyms: preoccupy, be uppermost in someone's mind, prey on someone's mind.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. There are questions that obsess athletes and journalists. Now, repeat after me. There are questions that obsess athletes and journalists. The second exemplar. It's not clear that Frears has a single theme that obsesses him. Now, repeat after me. It's not clear that Frears has a single theme that obsesses him. The third exemplar. In our country there are people obsessed with windfall profits and fabulous wealth. Now, repeat after me. In our country there are people obsessed with windfall profits and fabulous wealth.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
English actually originates from what is now called Northwest Germany and the Netherlands.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.